Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. On a daily time frame chart, recently DGByte coin has broken down the sub channel, and after the breakdown, it is dropped down approximately at 105. And by the way, here at 1 cent, we have a lot of support, a quite long-term support. And before that, it was moving inside this wedge. And I was telling you that after the breakout, the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge at 1 cent. And you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target and broke out this resistance of 1 cent. This was, by the way, a quite long-term resistance, and it also broke out this another very long-term resistance of 1.3 cents as well. But recently, after getting rejected by the resistance of the channel, the price line has broken down the support of the channel and broke down this quite long-term support of 1.3 cents as well, and moved very close to this support of 1 cent, but you can see without hitting this support, the price line is moved up and trying to break out this resistance of 1.3 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, the price line also broke out another falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very powerful pump, by the way, from this low when we were testing the support of the wedge here last time in the month of June 2023 up till this high. It has rallied more than 292%. And during this rally, DigiByte coin has also broken out this very, very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now this cloud can break as a strong long-term support for the price line of DigiByte coin. And in today's video, I would like to also share with you a quite long-term trade signal that I shared, by the way, in the month of June, on 6th of June 2023. That was a quite long-term trade signal because it was formed on a weekly time frame chart. And so far, this move has produced almost 280% very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my long-term trade signal for DigiByte coin that I shared on 6th of June 2023 with my members. And that was the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that DigiByte coin formed with US dollar pair on a weekly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line finally started a very, very massive reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 280% very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different size trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of DigiByte coin, and this is the daily time frame chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos. And I was telling you that now, after getting squeezed, there is a very high probability that we may soon break out the resistance of the wedge. And you can see that after the breakout, we had a very, very big pump. And during this rally, the price then formed this up channel. That was a bearish bias pattern, and you can see that finally the price then broke down the support of this channel. The technical target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the channel. That is approximately at $0.0085. And so far, it has dropped down very close to this support of 1 cent. This is a very long-term support. In case of breaking it down, it can hit the target to the downside here at $0.008. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then let me show you this 1 cent support. Then you can see that previously this 1 cent has been breaking as a resistance here, and for several weeks a month it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore now it can break as a very, very strong support in case the price then drops down there. And recently you can see that we have broken down this support of 1.3 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now for the past few weeks it was breaking as a support, and now finally we have broken it down. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the downside, we will again need to break out this resistance of 1.3 cents. You can also observe that on this weekly time frame chart, we have already broken out these two very, very big falling wedges. First, we broke out this falling wedge pattern. After that, it was stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. Then we broke it out here in the month of November 2023. And then we had a very, very powerful pump. And during this rally, we have also broken out this very, very strong resistance and quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now this time, this Ichimoku bearish cloud can work as a strong support at the same level where we have this support of 1 cent. And in case of breaking down this support and the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, it can drop down at this long-term support of $0.0078. By the way, the target for the breakdown from this channel was here at $0.008, but in case of breaking down this 1 cent support level, there will be a very high probability that the price may test the next long-term support of $0.0078, and almost there we have also the support of this lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for these two breakouts, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at 1.85 cents, and you can see that the price rallied beyond that target up to 2.3 cents. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of this wedge, that can be between 18 cents to 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.